the powers vested in me as education supervisor, I hereby install Mrs. Cristina Ochela Alonsagay as Principal of Northern Antique Vocational School, Colasing, Antique, with all the rights and privileges attached to the position. God bless Mrs. Alonsagay, God bless Martians, God bless Colasing.
Ibayan yung mga itsura.
Congratulations, Ma'am Christine. Congratulations, Lax.
Pang-videoon ko lang mga itsura nyo kung mga anogid video. Okay, itag talaga mo sa Facebook kung ano mga itsura nyo pagka-install kayo ka. Good, sadya ta na sandaw. Do may happiness sa itsura. Amugin man ra.